Ever wondered how the simple act of managing messages on your Android device can save you from a lot of headaches? Imagine losing all your text messages and then realizing you needed just one to retrieve an important piece of information. Frustrating, isn't it? Enter Tansee Android Message Transfer, a tool designed to make your life easier by backing up and managing your Android messages effortlessly. This software stands out as an essential utility for anyone who values their communication history. One of the key features of Tansee Android Message Transfer is its ability to back up SMS and MMS messages from any Android device to a computer. This means all your messages are safely stored and can be accessed anytime. No more worries about losing important conversations due to phone malfunctions or accidental deletions. Moreover, it supports exporting messages in various formats including TXT, MHT, and even the ever-popular PDF format. This versatility allows users to view their messages in the format that best suits their needs, whether it's for keeping a personal archive or for legal documentation. But that's not all. Tansee also excels in the transfer of messages between Android devices. Upgrading to a new phone? Simply use Tansee to transfer all your messages from the old device to the new one without any hassle. It's seamless, efficient, and ensures you maintain continuity in your communications. Another significant advantage is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, Tansee makes it easy to navigate through its features, making the backup and transfer processes as straightforward as possible. To sum it up, Tansee Android Message Transfer offers a robust solution for managing your messages. It provides secure backups, flexible exporting options, and a straightforward way to transfer messages between devices. This tool not only protects your valuable information, but also brings peace of mind, knowing that your communications are well managed and easily retrievable. So if keeping a reliable, accessible archive of your Android messages sounds like a smart move, Tansee Android Message Transfer proves to be an indispensable tool in achieving that with minimal fuss.